Hey guys, what's going on? Matt here from today'siphone.com. Today we're doing a review of Universal Video Downloader, which is a new tweak which you can find inside Cydia for free. All you gotta do is type in Universal Video Downloader. It's pretty cool, and it's going to allow you to download any video that you're currently watching. Now, I do want to mention it does work with things like Netflix. However, that is violating their terms of use, and they will probably terminate your account. Actually, I don't know what they'll do, but it does violate their terms of use, so don't do it. Anyway, you can take advantage of it in other ways though. So let me show you what it can do. Actually, let's first check out the app. You go over to the video downloader. You can see your current list of videos that you've downloaded. I have none for this video here. You can see downloads here. And then apps. You can actually enable specific apps for it to allow you to do it. So something like Netflix, which you know you're not going to download because you just stream it, you could just turn off Netflix. Now I don't have Netflix on here, so I can't show you it. But I'm just going to leave it on as enabled all. There is a settings. And then there's also a help page where you can kind of see instructions on how to use it. I'm going to be showing you here, so don't worry about it. So let's just go over to the iTunes store, and we're going to check out a trailer. We're going to check out 21st Jump Street. And this is exactly how Universal Video Downloader works. You can press preview. It's going to detect that you're about to watch a video, and it's going to say, hey, would you like to download this? We're going to say yes. You download it. It'll take you into Universal Video Downloader now, the application. You can name it. We'll just say, we'll call it 21. And then we can download. Now, what I plan to use this for is my YouTube videos. Or actually videos that I like watching on YouTube. I'm not going to download my own videos. But I do enjoy downloading certain videos, certain gameplay, certain funny, humorous videos I want to watch. But as you can see here, it's downloading it. It's told me the file size, and now I can press it. And at any point in time, offline, online, doesn't matter, I'll be able to play it. It's really simple, and it's absolutely free, guys. That's Universal Video Downloader. You guys can find it inside Cydia by simply typing in Universal Video Downloader. That is all for today. You guys have a wonderful day, and as always, peace.